Good day. I would like to talk about how the Financial Advisory and Intermediary Services Act, or FAIS, and compliance regulations play a crucial role in protecting private investors. To ensure that financial advisors follow the law, the FAIS Act creates a framework for regulation. This oversight helps to prevent fraud and misrepresentation. To offer financial services, advisors need to fulfill certain requirements and acquire licenses. This guarantees that they have the know-how and abilities needed to provide clients with sound advice. FAIS places a strong emphasis on advisors having a duty of care to act in their client's best interest. This involves determining if financial products are appropriate given each investor's unique situation. Advisors are required to provide clear and comprehensive information about products, including risks, costs, and performance. This transparency helps investors make informed decisions. The FAIS Act establishes the FAIS Ombudsman. The FAIS Ombudsman objective is to consider and dispose of complaints against advisors in a procedurally fair, informal, economical, and expeditious manner. FAIS require advisors to engage in ongoing education and training, ensuring they stay updated on industry changes and best practices. FAIS require advisors to conduct thorough assessments of clients' financial situations, therefore reducing the risk of unsuitable investment recommendations. In conclusion, the FAIS Act creates a safer environment for private investors, promoting trust and integrity in the financial services industry. Thanks for listening.